If you have 2 points in, you can access second subtraction. Just click on the T to go down to your first function that starts with the letter T. Enter your points as a list. Close it off and hit enter. And so the equation they give you is y equals 1/2 minus 3x over 2. Again, if you are going to use your calculators for these, you need to be able to interpret this information. So we write our coefficient of x first. So y is equal to -3/2, then the x. And then we put our constant last, so plus 1/2. And so this would be the way that we would enter that. Well, if you've entered the function like I went through the other day, you just have to hit second subtract and then scroll down or jump down to 2 points. If you're doing this by hand, so if you're going to do this problem by hand, what you would first need to do is find the slope. So you could find the slope by taking the difference of the y's over the difference of the corresponding x's, and then solve. So you get a -6 over 4, which reduces to -3/2. Once you get your slope, what you can then do is either use slope-intercept or point-slope form and find the remaining information. So most students prefer, if they're doing this by hand, the slope-intercept form. So if you plug in a known x, y, and m value, so we just pick one of these 2 points, so I'm going to choose this one. The y of 2, the slope was -3/2. The x value was -1 plus b. A negative and a negative cancel. So here what we're really going to do is subtract a 3/2 from both sides. Well, 2 is really just 4/2, so you get 4/2 minus 3/2 is 1/2. There's your b value. And so now what you can do is you can use your slope and your b value and plug it in right here. Y is equal to our slope, -3/2 x, plus our b value, 1/2. So either way, by hand or calculator, you get the same thing, but it does save you some time if you do it by calculator.